Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered how life began? Is a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. The origin of life is one of the biggest mysteries in science. While we don't have all the answers, we have learned a lot about how life might have first appeared on Earth. Our journey begins billions of years ago. The Earth was a very different place then. It was hot and volcanic with a toxic atmosphere. It's hard to imagine that anything could have survived in such conditions. Yet, somehow life found a way. The theory of evolution tells us that all living things share a common ancestor. Life as we know it evolved from a single-cell organism. These early life forms were incredibly small and simple, but over millions of years, they slowly changed and adapted. These tiny organisms were the starting point for the incredible diversity of life we see today. From the smallest bacteria to largest whales, all living things are connected to the vast web of evolution. It's a humble thought that we all share a common ancestor from the dawn of life on Earth. Scientists believe that life arose from non-living matter through a process called abiogenesis. Imagine early Earth covered in shallow oceans and bombarded by energy from the sun and volcanoes. This dynamic environment created a kind of primordial soup rich in chemicals. In chaotic mix, a simple organism molecule like amino acids began to form. These molecules are building blocks of proteins, which are essential for life. Over time, these molecules interacted and combined in increasingly complex ways. This process eventually led to formation of first cells. The Miller-Urey experiment. Scientists Stanley Miller and Howard Urey conducted a groundbreaking experiment. They recreated the conditions of early Earth in their laboratory. They filled a sealed flask with water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen gas. Then they stimulated lighting by passing electrical sparks throughout the mixture. Amazingly, within a week, the experiment produced amino acids, the building block of proteins. This experiment provided the first evidence that the building blocks of life could start from non-living matter under conditions similar to the Earth. It was a major breakthrough in our understanding of life origins. Are essential for life as we know it. They link together to form proteins, which carry out the essential functions within the cells. Proteins provide structure, transport the molecules, and catalyze the chemical reactions. Without proteins, life as we know it would not be possible. The Miller-Urey experiment showed that amino acids could have formed spontaneously in the early Earth environment. The discovery gave further evidence to the idea that life could have arisen from non-living matter. It suggests a possible pathway for the emergence of the basic building blocks of life. One prominent theory is the RNA wall hypothesis. This theory suggests that RNA, not DNA, was primarily a carrier of genetic information in the earlier life. RNA has simpler structures than DNA and can act as both carrier of genetic information and catalytic engine. Scientists have believed that the RNA may play a crucial role in the emergence of life. Research in a wall and another theories continues to the light on the earlier stages of life journey. The origin of life is a vast and complex puzzle. While we never have all answers, each new discovery brings us closer to the understanding of profound mystery. The journey of life from the primordial soup to the complex organisms as we see today is a testament to the power of time and chance and the extraordinary reliance of life itself. Thank you.